Stop. Before you click buy on that used car, I need you to watch this. The used car market you thought you understood, it is shifting big time. Prices for 3-year-old cars just climbed past $30,000. This according to Edmunds. Inventory is tighter than ever, and the usual bargains, they're going away fast. In the next few minutes here, I'm going to walk you through the latest data, show you exactly what has changed, and explain how you can avoid getting squeezed. So let's dive in. Here's what the numbers say, my friends. According to Edmunds, the average transaction price, or ATP, for a 3-year-old used vehicle in the U.S. hit $30,522 in Q1 of 2025, up 2.3% from the previous year. Meanwhile, CarEdge data shows used cars listed for sale at roughly $25,547 in mid-2025. And according to Manheim's Used Vehicle Value Index, a lot of stats here, wholesale used car values rose 6.3% year over year in June of 2025, the largest jump since 2022. In short, used cars aren't cheap, and they're not getting cheaper, at least not yet. So what's driving this, you ask? Good question. The mix of supply and demand is broken. First, fewer trade-ins and lease returns. Edmunds says the average trade-in age rose to 7.6 years in early 2025, oldest they've recorded since 2019. That means fewer nearly new used cars are hitting the market. Second, new vehicle inventory is improving, yes, but not enough to flood the market. So the trickle of new cars means less turnover in the used car market. Third, tariffs, inflation, and tech costs are keeping vehicle prices elevated across the board, which pushes used values upward. In plain English, you're paying more for used than you would expect because the good used cars are hard to find and more expensive to build than they've ever been. Okay, here's the part that matters to you the most likely. If you go used expecting huge savings, you might be disappointed. That 3-year-old car for 30 grand, it's more common now. Payments are still high. NerdWallet says the average used car monthly payment is around $565 according to Q3 of 2025. That's not cheap whatsoever. And because prices are high, you might be tempted to stretch your budget. Take longer loans. Don't do that. And accept higher interest payments. Don't do that as well. All of which increase your risk. If you were thinking used equals bargain, the math has changed. Now you've got to ask yourself, what's my total cost of ownership? My recommendation, be very selective. Don't just buy used because it seems like it might be cheaper. Buy used because it's the right value with the right history for the right price. If you are selling or trading in, this could be a silver lining for you. Fewer quality used car listings means your vehicle might command more money, but it also means the buyer market is tighter. Your trade-in might depreciate slower, but there are fewer eager buyers out there. And if you're looking to trade into a new car, you have less leverage than you might think because dealers know that the used supply is weak and may push harder on the deal structure. So whether you're selling or trading, know the leverage has shifted for now, at least. Here are the moves you need to make. Be flexible. If you're shopping used, expand your model or trim preferences. Fewer supply equals fewer options for you. Negotiate the total cost, not just the price. With high values come high risk. Negotiate interest, loan term, trade-in allowance, anything and everything you can. Next, use data tools. Know what others are paying. Know what your car is worth. This isn't optional anymore. I recommend visiting Everyman Driver's free tool, quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a link below this video. It shows you real-time dealer invoice pricing for new and used cars, trucks, and SUVs in your zip code from qualified dealerships. And watch new car incentives. Big one here. Some buyers may shift to new if used becomes too expensive. That could change the market very quickly. Also think long-term costs. High interest equals more vulnerability. So try to keep those payments manageable, maybe terms that are shorter, and equity positive. So here's the bottom line. The used car market isn't crashing. I don't care what the other YouTubers are saying, but it is shifting. That's the key word here. And the rules you use to play by may not apply anymore. Prices are higher, inventory is tighter, and you may need to rethink your plan. If you're shopping used in 2025 and in 2026, be prepared, be smart, and don't assume used automatically means a bargain. And in all cases, before you sign anything, before you even go to the dealership, research quotes.everymandriver.com. It's free. It gives you invoice pricing in your area from qualified dealerships. Know what the dealer paid. You're negotiating from strength that way. I thank you for watching so much. I'm Dave from Everyman Driver. Stay informed, get the real deal, and I hope to see you in the next one. Click subscribe. I'm uploading new videos all the time. I've been doing that since 2012. Adios. You can save $50 right now on the Nuvio Recovery Chiller. It works with any tub, bathtub, cold tub, indoors or out. Just plug it in, set the temperature, and start plunging. Use my code below and grab your deal today. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.